Walmart-Brand power bank. Just how good is it? Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video we're going to be taking a look at this unnamed power bank that I got at Walmart. Seeing as we've taken a look at a lot of higher end, more well-known power banks, I actually have one right here. This is the Imuto Leo SL200QC. That video is linked somewhere. This I don't think you can find at Walmart. This you can. So I wanted to see how good can a cheap Walmart power bank be. This is the battery pack power with style. Battery pack power with style. So you can charge up to 2 devices simultaneously to stay in power on the go. You can charge 2 devices at once. Yeah, we just went over that. This is this one's pretty good. This is a 4,000 milliamp hour high power capacity. This is 20,000, and this is high capacity. This is 5 times less. Alright, that's a good one. And it supplies power at 2.1 amps for rapid recharge. So we're gonna take it out of the box, and you don't get much with it. You get the battery itself, a small USB Type A to micro B connector to charge it, and you get some warnings. Warning, do not modify, disassemble, open, drop, crush, puncture, or shred the battery. Who's shredding batteries? Keep away from open flame. Damn it, there goes my plans for this weekend. Just common sense stuff, like if the battery's leaking, don't drink it. Or at least, I hope that would be common sense. I don't know, people surprise me sometimes. Put all of that off to the side, and we're going to take a look at the power bank itself. It's very small. An iPhone 10 here for comparison. It's pretty small. It's got a fabric texture to it. So this top and bottom part are plastic, and then this is some fabric. So that's interesting. I don't think I've seen any power banks do that. On the top, you've got 2 USB-A ports, your micro USB input, and a power button. And when you press the power button, you get a little LED indicator that tells you the percentage, which is awesome considering I only spent $10 on this. So let me open my notes over here because I did some testing with this. I did not use this as my main battery. I wasn't going to put myself through that torture, but I did use this to charge some devices in the studio. This came at 61% when I purchased it, and I killed it and recharged it to full just to see how long it would take. It was at 0% charge at 1:06 p.m. on December 28th, 2018, and then it was 100% charged at approximately 5:15 that same day. I don't have the exact time because I wasn't staring at it the whole time. A little over 4 hours to charge the entire power bank, so I guess that's good, right? I mean, I charge all mine overnight, so I don't really know how long it takes them to juice up. Alright, so I've got some things to charge here. I've got my Hydrobeat illumination speaker. I'm gonna plug that in, and that starts to charge. And then we're gonna plug in a lightning cable, and we're gonna plug in my iPhone, and those are both charging. This is a really bad idea. Don't do this. This is bad. See, it is charging them both. The power indicator is on. I'm going to unplug these before I drop my phone and break it. Not something that I had on my agenda for today. And then to charge the device itself, you just plug it in and it starts charging. So again, considering that I spent $10 on this, well, $11 with tax because America. If you need a power bank and you're at Walmart and you see it, I guess this is okay. It's hard for me to speak on this because I'm used to having 10,000 milliamp hours, 20,000, 20,100, 30,000. I'm used to having very large power banks. So for someone who maybe, I don't know, just needs extra charge and they're leaving the house for a day and they gotta charge their phone a little bit while they're gone, $10, this might actually not be that bad. Now, like I said, I didn't use this all that much. Again, if you just need a quick, cheap power bank to get you juiced up, this should do the job perfectly fine. But for me and my use case, I think I'm just gonna stick with something bigger. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and while you're down there, turn on notifications with that bell icon. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.